In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your Ford Taurus. It's located under the hood on the driver's side. So I'm going to disconnect our positive terminal. By using an 8mm socket. Push that off to the side. And now I'm going to disconnect our negative terminal with an 8mm socket as well. Take that off and push it off to the side. Now I'm going to use an extension and an 8mm socket. And there's a bolt down here that's holding down the hold down for the battery. So you're going to loosen that up. You're going to take that right out and get it out of your way. Now we're ready to take our battery out. All right, so you're going to take your battery and you're going to gently place it in the plastic container. All right, so our battery hold down, there's two ways it could go, this way or this way. You want the step to be facing the battery because it holds the battery down by locking into the step on the battery. So you're going to wedge it between the battery and the plastic holder, and then you're going to thread your bolt into the plastic holder. So now we're going to take an 8mm socket and a long extension, and you're going to tighten that up. As you can see, the battery doesn't move. All right, so we're going to install our positive first. Use an 8mm socket to tighten it down. Doesn't move. You can now move on to your negative. Push that down, 8mm socket again. Doesn't move. Tuck your wire away.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.